There's an estimate that more than 50% of traffic on the web is not human. This not human traffic is screen readers and other automated processes such as Google bots that keep visiting and indexing the sites, figuring out where to rank them in search results. And since majority of traffic to any website results from Google and other search engines, this means we should write our HTML document in such a manner that it is not only visually appealing to our visitors, but also it makes sense to those non-humans, that is, Google bots and the likes. Let's understand what this exactly means with the help of an example. There are two tags in HTML named B and strong. Both have the same visual rendering, that is, they both make the text look bolder, and visually we cannot differentiate whether the HTML behind the bolder text is B tag or the strong tag. But there's a huge difference between these two tags in the eyes of Google bots. If we surround our word with the B tag, Google will ignore it and think that the word is being shown as bolder just for visual presentation. But if that same word is surrounded with strong tag, it would be an indicator that Google should consider this word an important one and should index that word. As an example, suppose we have surrounded the word love with the strong tag. Now, if someone searches for the word or phrase that contains the word love, Google would consider those pages that have enclosed the word love inside the strong tag, and would give lesser or no importance to those pages that have enclosed the word inside the B tag. All this means is that the only way for a page to make sense to Google is its meaningful HTML structure. So now, if I were to define the word semantic in one line, it would be the markup that has a meaning for assistive devices such as screen readers and web crawlers such as Google bots, in addition to the visual presentation and structuring the page. Semantic is all about what your content is instead of what it looks like. Let's have another example. We can mention our contact details like address, telephone number, and email address inside the P tag, and it would look just fine on our web page. But if we enclose these details inside the semantic address element, it would not just look exactly like it would have inside the P tag, but also it would help Google to understand that here the page contains the address. Additionally, those visually impaired using the assistive devices such as screen readers would be hugely disappointed if they have to wander through the whole page, presumably containing tens of paragraphs, before reaching the P tag that contains the address. On the other hand, if we have the address or contact details enclosed inside the address element, imagine how quickly and easily the user agent will find it and how easy it would be for Google bots to index that information. So in short, writing semantic HTML markup not only structures our document the way we want it to, but also it will be of huge assistance for screen readers and for web crawlers to understand our content and index our site. Thanks for watching.